What's up everybody, JMoss here. Today's video, we have another investor carrot tip for you, and this is all about the phone number on your website, okay, and how to display it the right way. Yes, there is a right way to do it, and a lot of investors do it incorrectly, okay, so we'll go over that with you. But before we get into that content, please, there's two things you need to do. The first, okay, and these links are in the description below. The first thing is if you need an investor carrot website, use our link in the description, okay? Once you sign up, send me the receipt and I'll get you access to our bonuses, all right? And secondly, jump into our Investor Carrot Facebook group, okay? This thing is growing very, very quickly. We have a lot of great conversations going on. We're teaching a lot of different things like SEO, design tips, how to do this and that, a whole bunch of cool conversations going on there. So join using the link in the description, and let's hop into the content now about this phone number.
Hey Investor Carrot fans, today we have a tip for you to land more leads. This has to do with the phone number placement on your site. You know Carrot always starts you off right. They have your phone number in the header and kind of sprinkled throughout the copy, but we want to kick it up just a little notch and make it more prevalent on your site to increase the chances of a prospect clicking and following through to reach out to you. So we're going to be talking about adding either images or buttons to, again, reinforce that desire or that action to reach out to you. Now, one thing we'll say, depending on you and your business, we highly encourage you to make texting available to your prospects so that they can text you as well. Sometimes, especially with something as big as selling their home, they might feel a little uncomfortable about being put on the spot on a phone call. They may feel more comfort kind of easing in via text. So up to you, but we highly encourage you to make that an option and place that in your text if you're doing a button. So letting them know to either call or text you. So let's talk about how we can do it either via an image or a button. Carrot makes both super easy. So first, let's go ahead and talk about the button. Again, could not be easier. Click the spot you want the button to go into, and we're going to add a button. And you simply type your text, call or text us. And over to the right, you can see all the fun things that you can do to modify your button to make it stand out on your website. So you can change the width if you want it full width, or if you want it just a standard button size. You can change the color, which is fun. You can make it really predominant and stand out of your text, or you can change the entire color of the button. Pretty fun. You can also change how round it is if you want more of a round button or a square button, depending on your look and aesthetic. One thing you can also do is center your button here to make it more centered and focused on your site. Now, to go ahead and link that to your phone number, you're going to go ahead and click the link button, and you're going to type TEL:+, and then your phone number starting with 1-314, we'll make one up, 5555, and there you go. Your button is now ready to go. When a prospect clicks it, they'll be prompted to your phone number. The other thing that you can do is link an image. So let's talk about that really quick here. Again, super easy, add an image. We're gonna upload one that we already have in our media library. And you will see that this image is huge. We're gonna go ahead and shrink that down just by sliding that bar on the right, okay? Let's scroll back up. And we want to have it centered, perfect. And then again, guys, all we have to do is click the link button, add that same formula, TEL:+1-314-699-5555, enter, and our button is now linked so that the prospect can reach out to us. Again, the whole point here, guys, is that you're making it more predominant on your website to encourage the prospect to reach out to you. Sometimes they're kind of scrolling through and looking through different things, and they quit paying attention to your header, or they get to a point where your phone number and contact information isn't prevalent, and then they get distracted. If you have this predominantly on your site, the chances of a lead following through and actually clicking and taking action are much greater. If you have any questions or you want to see a further tutorial on any of these details, please let us know. best thing you can do right now, go take action, get 1 or 2 of these installed on your site so you can practice it while it's fresh in your mind, and go through and just look at your site and think, okay, where would it make the most sense that a lead would want to potentially click and get more information? Maybe it's on your FAQs page or in your about or your process. Have that information ready for them so they can get in touch with you ASAP. Bonus tip, make sure you're responding to them promptly, especially via text, you guys. We talked about this before. Instant gratification, they want to hear from you when they want to hear from you. So if they do reach out in text, try and get back to them as quickly as possible. All right, guys, more up next.